Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so today what we have here is a 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe, and we're going to replace this fog light bulb. Now, the owner's manual says is recommended the fog light bulb be replaced by an authorized Hyundai dealer. You don't need to do that. You can do it yourself. This is the bulb you need, 881. And all you need is this, Phillips screwdriver. So all you have to do is there is two screws. Let's see here. Right here. And right here. So just to give you some reference, there's the bumper. There's your first one and your second. So when you go to unscrew these, just turn it. Try not to put any pressure on it. And once you get it just kind of turn it and pull down on it, because it's this type of fastener where it just spreads out when you tighten it up. So just works good if you just kind of turn it and not push on it, because then it's hard to, it doesn't really want to come out. Just pull it out, and this plastic piece pulls back like that, and you can reach up behind here and here. So okay, so you just turn it. There's these little tabs right here, and just comes out like that. And there's two little clips on the side. There's your old bulb, and we'll get the new one. And here's the new one. 881. Push that all the way until the clips go into place, and just go back up in here. Okay, once you get in there, just lock it in place. And this plastic piece, okay, so this plastic piece is now in place. And I'll put the screw back in. Pull it out like this. And okay, and the screws are all back in. Bulb is in. Let's try it out. Okay, so to test these, you have to start the engine. Switch is right here. There it is. Alright, so you don't have to go to the dealer to replace your fog light bulb. Just 2 screws. Thanks for watching.